Okay guys, here we go then, Monday the 8th of April. In the shed, in the Vitapod, and the tomatoes are doing rather well. Most of them are just about putting up their first true leaf. Yeah, doing pretty well. And what I've done in the Vitapod, I've put the temperature probe into a pot of compost. When it was dangling in the air, I'm sure it was getting too warm, and everything's about right now. I'm leaving the lid off for quite a bit now actually, because it's getting too warm in there. As you know, tomatoes shouldn't get much above 27 Celsius, so yeah, I don't know what that is. Let's have a look at the... Yeah, 24.5 there. Now the lid's off. Okay, over to the greenhouse. Under the Spider Farmer SF1000, and we're down to 25% light now. It's hardly needed. I'll be turning it off this week, I think. Just that little bit of extra boost, a little bit of boost, you know what I mean? And we got some lovely fruits already. Could be a good year. Okay, along the top then, lemongrass and the herbs. I brought the herbs in here now from upstairs. Moved the peppers over here. Aubergines, they're still plodding along. The only thing I've got on top of the Spider Farmer SF600 is the RZ lettuce. So I'm going to water those very quickly in the small Germie. That'll do. Such an easy way of watering it. It leans over a little bit, this light, so we just give it a little tilt to get the water to the other side. Okay then, on top of the SF600 I've got this Corsican mint. Now I don't know if you can see this. I think you can. There was 10 seeds, 2 rows of 5, one across the top, one across the bottom, and they've all germinated, and there's lots of little tiny seeds in each of those multi-seed pellets. So that's good. More orange bomb cuttings. They'll be coming on, be potted up soon. I can not quite got any roots just yet. Okay, under the Spider Farmer SF600 we've got the basket of fire, and Molly's ground cherries, Cape gooseberries, and the aubergines. I just noticed the aubergines, we've got a bit of green fly, so I'll be spraying that in a minute. More tomato plugs. Those are the Tim's Taste of Paradise. I was a little bit worried that they wouldn't germinate, but they have lovely. Orange balm cuttings there, leaping away they are. Got a few trailing flowers left for myself. These are Bocampa. Okay, yeah, getting them myself. All the other flowers have gone. So there's the rest of the herbs. The rest of the herbs over there. All the other herbs over there. We got a few single seed potato challenge pots in here, not poking up yet. And at the bottom we got all the brassicas. Going to need keep an eye on the watering of those as well. Yeah, ginger. Now the ginger is making a little bit of progress. And this one here in the pot, which is buried, is poking out. That little red bit, that wasn't there the other day. Oh, yeah, so fingers crossed on that. One more lot to show you, and that's the cuttings in the garland wicking propagator thingy. That's nice and wet still underneath. Yeah, and so we got the ground cherries, orange bomb, and I got a little bit of green fly, so I just sprayed it with olive soap, and the sage on the end there. Brilliant. And here's the tomatoes in the Jiffy 7s upstairs in the Vitapod. Yeah, they're doing right. There's a few sort of there, like that one there, poor germination. I'll tell you what they are in a minute. But yeah, on the whole, they're doing very, very well. I'm going to get myself a pot of compost and put the probe in that, like I did in the downstairs Vitapod. But I think they're looking pretty good. I think you'd agree there. Yeah, right. That's April the 8th done. April the 15th next. Have a great week, guys. Take care. I'll catch you on the next video.